Welcome to the Troyson YouTube channel, your go-to place all things travel. Planning your first solo trip and feeling overwhelmed? Well, you're not alone. The anticipation of a first-time solo adventure can stir up a whirlwind of emotions. Anxiety and fear are common companions that tag along, making the journey seem more daunting than it actually is. It's perfectly normal to feel this way. After all, stepping out of your comfort zone and venturing into the unknown is no small feat. But worry not, this is where we come in to help you navigate through these uncharted waters. We've compiled a list of 10 essential tips that can help ease your worries, ensure a successful trip. These are tried and tested strategies from seasoned solo travelers who have treaded the path you're about to embark upon. From planning and packing to staying safe and savoring journey, we've got you covered. So stick around as we delve into these essential travel tips that are sure to make your first solo trip a memorable one. Our first tip is to do your research and plan ahead. A well-planned journey starts long before you step foot out of your front door. It begins right at home, with extensive research about your destination. Dive into the culture of the place you're visiting. Understand its customs, traditions, and etiquette. This preparation helps you respect and blend in with the local community, making your experience more authentic and enjoyable. Planning your itinerary is equally crucial. Outline your daily activities, but also leave room for spontaneous adventures. Remember, travel is about discovery and exploration. Next, consider your accommodations and flights. Booking these in advance can save you from last-minute hassles and often secure you a better deal. But be sure to read reviews and compare prices before making any decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when you're heading into unfamiliar territory. With proper research and planning, you're setting the foundation for a smooth journey. Tip number 2, pack light. Imagine this. You're in a foreign city, excited, eager to explore, and you've got to lug around a heavy suitcase. Not ideal, right? Here's where packing light comes into play. Taking only the essentials not only lightens the load, but also gives you room for flexibility. You're not tied down, literally and figuratively, by your luggage. You can hop on a bus, climb a flight of stairs, or even run to catch a train with ease. No more wrestling with bulky bags or worrying about where to store your stuff. Plus, packing light means less to lose and easier to keep track of. It's also an opportunity to challenge yourself. How many outfits can you create with just a handful of items? So next time you're preparing for a trip, think twice before you pack that extra pair of shoes or that just-in-case sweater. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for your trip. Moving on to tip number 3, stay connected. While traveling solo, it's vital you maintain a line of communication with your friends and family back home. It's not just about sharing your experiences, but it's also a safety net, letting your loved ones know where you are and that you're okay. Consider investing in a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device. They can be real game changers. With a local SIM card, you get to make calls and access the internet at local rates, saving you a lot of money. A portable Wi-Fi device, on the other hand, allows you to have access to the internet wherever you go. These tools are crucial in today's digital age, as they not only help you communicate but also assist with navigation, translation, and even finding local recommendations. Staying connected not only gives you peace of mind but also keeps your loved ones informed. Tip number 4, be open-minded. When you're stepping into uncharted territory, it's not just about the places you'll visit, but the new cultures and experiences you'll encounter. Embracing the unfamiliar can be a game changer in your travel diary. Think about it. You're in a place where the cuisine is unlike anything you've ever tasted. Why not take a leap of faith and try that exotic dish? You might just stumble upon your new favorite food. And what about the language? Sure, English might be a global language, but learning a few basic phrases in the local tongue can open doors you never knew existed. A simple hello, please, or thank you can go a long way in establishing connections with the locals, and who knows, they might give you insider tips you won't find in any travel guide. Lastly, respect the local customs. Remember, you are a guest in their home. Show gratitude and appreciation for their hospitality. Traveling solo is an opportunity to broaden your horizons, so keep an open mind. Our 5th tip, stay safe. Embarking on a solo adventure is thrilling, but it's crucial to remember the importance of safety. You're in a new place, possibly unfamiliar, and safety is paramount. One fundamental rule is to always keep a close watch on your personal belongings. Whether you're in a bustling city market or a serene beach, never leave your belongings unattended. It's also wise to avoid areas that might be risky, particularly at night. If you're unsure, Local advice is invaluable, so don't hesitate to ask. Another essential safety measure is to be mindful of the information you share with strangers. It's great to make new friends, but divulging too much personal information can leave you vulnerable. Keep details about your accommodation, travel plans, and personal life to yourself unless you're sure of the person you're sharing with. Your safety should always be your top priority. Moving on to tip number 6, stay healthy. When it comes to traveling, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is just as important as your itinerary. Your body is your vehicle, and keeping it in top shape will ensure that you enjoy each and every moment of your journey. First and foremost, hydration is key. Always keep a water bottle at hand and remember to drink regularly. It's easy to forget when you're caught up in the excitement of exploring new places. Eating healthy is another essential aspect. Your body needs fuel, but it needs the right kind. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins when you can. Don't skimp on your sleep. Being well rested helps you stay alert and energized. And let's not forget about exercise. A simple walk or a quick workout can do wonders. Also, always remember to pack any necessary medications and be mindful of pre-existing medical conditions. Remember, health is wealth, especially when you're on the road. Scene script. Tip number 7, be flexible. When you're traveling, particularly on your own for the first time, it's important to remember that not everything will go according to plan, and that's perfectly okay. In fact, it's part of the adventure. Being flexible means being able to adapt to new situations as they arise. Missed your train? Take it as an opportunity to explore the city a little more. Rain ruined your beach day? Try visiting a local museum or cafe instead. It's all about turning what could be seen as a setback into a new opportunity. Remember, travel is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the journey itself. It's about the unexpected surprises, the detours, the spontaneity. Also, being flexible can help you handle unexpected situations without getting stressed. It allows you to embrace change, to go with the flow, and to make the most out of every moment. Being flexible allows you to handle unexpected situations with ease. Our 8th tip, document your trip. Yes, you heard that right. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your travel experience. Here's why. A journey is a collage of moments threaded together by your experiences. And documenting these moments can help you savor them long after they've passed. Photographs, for example, are snapshots of reality, capturing the essence of a place or a moment. They're like time capsules, allowing you to revisit those special moments whenever you wish. Similarly, journals can be a beautiful chronicle of your thoughts and experiences. They provide a platform to express your emotions and narrate your own story in your own words. Videos, on the other hand, are dynamic, adding motion and sound to your memories, making them come alive. So, whether it's a photo of a stunning sunset, a journal entry about a chance encounter, or a video of a bustling market, each medium has its own charm. Remember, your travel memories are not just about places, they're about experiences, emotions, and lessons learned. They're your personal treasures. Your travel memories are treasures. Make sure to document them. Tip number 9, trust your instincts. Venturing into the unknown can be an exhilarating yet daunting experience. But remember, you possess an innate compass, your instincts. They're not just about survival, but also about identifying opportunities for joy, adventure, and connection. When it comes to safety, your gut can often sense danger before your mind has time to process it. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Don't ignore that uneasy feeling or that little voice in your head. When deciding on activities, let your intuition guide you. Perhaps you're drawn to a particular place or activity. Trust that. Go explore. It might lead to an unforgettable experience. Meeting new people is a significant part of travel. Use your instincts to gauge whether someone is trustworthy. An open heart can lead to beautiful friendships, but never at the expense of your safety. Remember, your instincts have been honed over thousands of years. They're a powerful tool. Your instincts are your best guide. And finally, tip number 10, enjoy the journey. Traveling solo can be a transformative experience, filled with self-discovery and personal growth. It's a chance to step out of your comfort zone, meet new people, and immerse yourself in different cultures. But remember, it's essential to savor every moment. Take the time to enjoy the sunrise from a new vantage point, relish the taste of unfamiliar cuisines, and absorb the sounds of a different language or dialect. Embrace the unexpected adventures and spontaneous detours that come your way. Learn from the challenges, and let them make you stronger and wiser. Remember, this is your journey. It's not just about the sights you'll see or the places you'll visit. It's about the experiences you'll have, the memories you'll make, and the person you'll become. So don't just rush from one destination to another. After all, the journey is as important as the destination. That wraps up our list of 10 essential travel tips for first-time solo travelers. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've walked through the necessity of researching and planning, the importance of packing light, and how crucial it is to stay connected. We've discussed the value of being open-minded, the significance of safety, and the vitality of health. We've explored the virtue of flexibility, the joy of documenting your trip, and the power of trusting your instincts. And, of course, we've celebrated the ultimate tip, which is to enjoy the journey. Each of these points is a compass to guide you as you chart your own path. As you prepare for your first solo trip, keep these tips at the forefront of your mind. They are your keys to an unforgettable adventure. Remember, traveling solo is an adventure. Embrace it, enjoy it, and make unforgettable memories.